to create a backup image on a Windows machine, you would download Win32 Disk Imager and then open it up. And over here on the right, my thing is in German here, my operating system, but this will probably say disk or something like that. And you just select the disk that you're dealing with. And if you're not sure what it is, you could go to File Explorer. Let me grab that over here and just go to this PC. And then you should be able to find it somewhere underneath here. And you'll see that right here, mine is, it's in port E. It's in disk drive letter E. So I'll select that. And then right here, you click on this folder and you give it a name. So I'll just say test and I'll save it to my desktop, wherever it is, desktop. And then I'll say open. And that is where the image will get saved to. So I'm saving the image to a file with the name test on my desktop. I'm reading from disk drive E, which is the SD card slot. And then we'll just click here on read, lesen, read, and that will read from the card and print it all to this file. And that's how you back up an SD card to a Windows machine.